I swear, my cat, Mittens, has it out for me. This morning, I was trying to make my fancy new matcha latte, feeling all zen. The whisk was doing its thing, perfectly green foam forming. Then Mittens, with a look of pure malevolence, decided the counter was his new Olympic jumping platform. He launched himself, knocking the matcha bowl flying. It splattered all over my white shirt, the ceiling, and somehow, the dog. Before I could even react, the dog, now a swamp monster, started licking the ceiling. Like for part 2.